Samsung is listening to the consumers. Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. Samsung is changing the game with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. There are a couple of things which Samsung is going to change, including big internal changes and possibly new battery technology. If this chip shortage gets over, then we may see Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra in February 2023 along with the Galaxy S23 Plus and S23. Now what makes this phone special is its new technology that Samsung will introduce in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Meanwhile, your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will not come with MediaTek processor, and that is confirmed. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra or iPhone 14 Pro Max. Which one would you prefer next year? Samsung is going to change the battery technology Samsung Galaxy S23 lineup, and we may see bigger batteries in all three models. According to Anthony on Twitter, Samsung Galaxy S23 comes with 4500 mAh battery, S23 Plus comes with 5000, and S23 Ultra comes with 5500 mAh plus battery, which means it may be bigger than that. And the mass production for these batteries started going along with testing. But sad news for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, because Z Fold 4 will not going to have a battery update like S23 lineup. But Z Fold 5 potential get this. And it is also confirmed that Diamond codename is for Samsung Galaxy S23 lineup, which first we thought is a rollable smartphone. According to Alvin, Samsung uploaded a picture stating, "Say goodbye to glare for S22, but it seems like they forget to put camera hole in it, or they accidentally put Samsung Galaxy S23 picture in it." And we already know that Samsung is looking to put an under-display camera in S23 lineup, which makes the phone's display completed with no camera hole or whatsoever, and possibly quad curved display from the previous rumors. Well, as we are talking about the front cameras, we shouldn't neglect the upcoming 200 megapixel main lens on the S23 lineup. Samsung introduced this lens last year in 2021, and Motorola Frontier will be the first phone to have it, but Galaxy S23 will surely get this next year. Along with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor with X70 modem with the built-in AI and enhanced performance and a better 5G speed up to 10 gigabit per second. For now, we are really excited to see this new technology from Samsung. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra or iPhone 14 Pro Max. Which one would you prefer next year? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.